Hey little artists! Are you ready to draw some super cute alphabet letters today? Let's learn to draw A, B, C, D, and E with smiley faces and big sparkly eyes. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started with Toddlers Art Hub. Let's start with the letter A. Draw a big A in the top left. Now let's make it come to life. Draw two cute eyes and a big smiley mouth. Next is the letter B right beside it. Draw a tall B. And now, add two eyes and a happy smile again. So fun! Now let's draw the letter C next to B. Make a big curved C.
La da 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 dee.
And what do we add next? Yep, two eyes and a sweet little mouth. Now on the bottom left, draw the letter D. Big round D. Add eyes and a smiley face to make it cheerful. Finally, draw the letter E on the bottom right. And don't forget, eyes and a smile for our friendly E. Whoa! Great job, everyone! Our cute A to E alphabets are all done, but wait! Let's go over the lines again and make the outline bold and sharp, so the letters really pop. Doesn't that look awesome now?
Yay!
Now comes the most colorful part. Let's color our letters with rainbow colors. Show your color pens or markers to the camera. Ready? Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color.
La da 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 dee.
Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. You did an amazing job today. We learned how to draw A, B, C, D, E with cute eyes and smiley faces, and colored them with rainbow fun. Don't forget to subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more happy drawing time. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.